Most students wake up every morning already feeling tired, stressed, and confused about their day, not because they are lazy or incapable, but because their daily routine is built the wrong way from the very beginning. And a perfect daily routine for students is not about studying all day, waking up extremely early, or copying someone else's life, but about working with the brain and body instead of fighting them. The day should begin between 5:30 and 6:30 in the morning, when the world is quiet and the mind is naturally fresh. And instead of reaching for the phone, which immediately fills the brain with noise, messages, and comparison, students should sit calmly for a minute, take slow, deep breaths, and remind themselves that this new day is a fresh opportunity to improve, followed by drinking a full glass of water to wake the body and doing a few minutes of light movement, such as stretching or walking, to activate blood flow and energy. The most powerful and misunderstood part of the routine is the morning study session, where students should study their hardest subject first for about 60 to 90 minutes without any phone, notifications, or background noise, because the brain's ability to focus, understand, and remember is highest in the morning, and studying difficult topics later in the day only creates frustration and self-doubt. During this study time, the goal is not speed, but deep understanding, asking questions, solving problems slowly, and accepting confusion as part of learning. When students go to class, they should treat it as the first exposure to knowledge, not the final learning, by listening carefully, writing short and clear notes, and focusing on understanding concepts instead of memorizing sentences. Because true learning happens when the brain connects ideas, not when it repeats words. Lunch should be light and balanced, avoiding heavy, oily food that makes the body sleepy and the mind dull. And after eating, a short rest of 15 to 20 minutes without using the phone allows the brain to reset and recharge, which is far more effective than endless scrolling. In the afternoon, when energy is lower, students should not force heavy thinking, but instead revise what they learned earlier, practice easier subjects, or solve simple questions using short, focused study sessions followed by breaks, which reduces mental fatigue and increases retention. This part of the day is also ideal for developing one practical skill, such as communication, digital skills, writing, or any ability that creates confidence and future opportunities, because education without skills often leads to fear and uncertainty about life after studies. As evening arrives, the routine should slow down, allowing the mind to relax through a short walk outside, light physical movement, or quiet time, because a calm mind reflects better and learns faster. This is the perfect moment to review the day by asking simple questions like what went well, what was difficult, and what can be improved tomorrow. And writing these thoughts builds self-awareness, discipline, and emotional maturity. Nighttime is where most students make the biggest mistake by using their phones until sleep, which damages focus, memory, and confidence. So a perfect routine requires turning off screens at least 1 hour before sleep and replacing them with calming habits like planning the next day, reading a few pages of a book, or sitting quietly, because a peaceful mind creates deep and restorative sleep. Writing down 3 important tasks and 1 personal goal for tomorrow removes anxiety, clears the mind, and creates direction. And sleeping between 10:30 and 11:30 allows the brain to repair itself, strengthen memory, and prepare for learning the next day. A perfect daily routine does not demand perfection or discipline every second, but it demands patience, consistency, and honesty with oneself. And when students follow this routine, even imperfectly for 1 or 2 weeks, they begin to feel more focused, calmer, more confident, and more in control of their lives, slowly realizing that success is not sudden or magical, but something that quietly grows every single day, with time.